Hey everybody, I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this race car that also transforms into a robot, how it works with the remotes, how many batteries it requires, and some other fun stats. All right, so this is everything that comes with this race car robot. The car looks like this when it's turned on. It's got some lights flashing on the top. Very, very cool. And these holds 3 AA batteries, 1, 2, and there's a third one underneath. They do not come. The batteries do not come with this. And then there are 2 batteries work with the remote. Also, batteries do not come with the remote. Also comes with a screwdriver and a locking screw for the batteries on the actual car, just in case this is going around, going fast or whatever. Nothing's going to happen. Unlike other vehicles, this turns not based on the actual tires turning. As noted, they are in a fixed straight position, but it uses this little wheel right here. And actually, I don't even know. I think these maybe turn in opposite directions, but it has a 0 radius turn. I mean, it literally will turn without the rear end moving, which is pretty cool. So it can kind of turn very, very quickly. It has a button on the remote that's specific to converting to a robot. With the press of a button, it will move up. Very, very cool. Back down it goes. And this button does some other cool stuff. With the press of a button, it will just kind of do its own thing. It will convert to a robot, go back down to a car, and then go back and go around. So it's like almost like a dancing thing or something. I'm not really sure what it does, but very, very cool. Press a button, you can turn that off, and then you can drive it like normal. Pretty cool. There's backwards, forwards, left, right. When in the robot mode, it can be left in that mode and then driven around like this. Very, very cool. Close up of the car converting. Thing is pretty cool looking. Pretty cool looking for sure. Back down it goes. Those wheels are spinning out on the tile. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Is it easy to operate? Is the robot conversion in I'm going to call it the dancing mode, fun and easy to use? Hopefully this answered any all questions you might have about this very cool, never seen anything like this before, very cool robot race car, and we'll talk to you soon.